Okay, hi. This is Dr. Sunila here. Why I came to this Amarantos training is that I'm struggling hard to find the true purpose of my life, because I find myself getting interested in so many things. I want to become a healer. I love my current profession, helping the farmers, and I love tracking. I sometimes wish to be a yoga teacher and all, like it's causing so much of confusion in my mind. So I just wanted to relax and know what is the true purpose of this life. And I have had so many other relationship issues. So I just wanted to know like where I'm heading or why these things are happening. And moreover, I have natural healing and compassionate power, so I just wanted to enhance them. I just wanted a channel where I can help more people, and I found this Amarantos training to be immensely useful in it, as the wonderful mentor Venu and Neha, they just cleared so many doubts, and I think I have found a new way to life where I'm a better person now, where I'll be utilizing firstly all the energies, all the knowledge which I've gained for my own self growth on this spiritual path. And maybe I would love to help as many souls as possible. So thank you very much, Venu and Neha. Love you so much.